Hey guys, Steven Hopton, and today I'm opening 3 X and Y breakthrough packs and 1 Furious Fist. On the Pokemon Trading Card Online game, I opened the real packs. Now I'm going to claim all of these now. Done collection. Okay, so I should have, so we'll start off with the Fast and Furious one. I'll unbox this one first. Just wait for it to load. There we go. Bam. They do the card trick, so 1, 2, 3. Bam. That's not really good. Done. I've got that before. Now I haven't unboxed any of the breakthrough cards, so everything's gonna be new. What? Okay. I'll check that in a second. And we're gonna get bam. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh. Damn it! Open another. Come on, we want something good! Give me something good! From the real packs, I got a Mega Houndoom from one of them. Oh! Okay. Guys. If you guys did not know that this card that I just got is one of the secret rare Mewtwo's. It's a gold card. Oh my gosh! Open another. Oh my gosh! Break. We get 8! Okay. Oh, done. We're done with that. Pokemon. Name Bertie. Loading. Pokemon filters. Break basic stage 2. Apply. Where is it? There he is, boys. There he is. Guys, this is amazing. And I thought the Mega Houndoom was great. Okay. Okay. Marked was red. No. How do I get rid of this? Okay, let's go to home screen. See, this is the one that I got. This is the card that I got, and I'll show you all of my my mega set. I got the silver, but I cannot believe I got that card. That is amazing. And it was on the second pack. Third. No. Yeah, third pack. Yep. Second. Third. Third pack I opened. But second pack for breakthrough. Anyway guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this little thing. And if you guys do want to see me do some more series, guys, and this isn't the official first video, but this will be the first video on the channel, guys. So, but you just have to wait for next week when the first video comes out. The first recorded video for the channel, guys. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed, and tell me what you guys get from your breakthrough packs. Anyway, guys, see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.